Kia ora class, I'm here with Julia and we are currently examining the pig that you will be looking for, looking at the maggots in your tutorial. So what we're going to do, because the pig's quite large and heavy, we're going to talk through in this little video about what you're looking at, the decomposition stages, and Julia's going to point out different elements of the insect activity and collect it so you can look at that in your tutorial that you're about to start. And that saves us a lot of trouble bringing in the pig. Apologies for the windy weather, we'll just have to talk above that and hopefully all will work out well.
Okay, cool. We have here a little big piglet.
So apparently it was 7 weeks old when it died, and it died of natural causes, and we got it from a piggery, and it was frozen when it was given to us and put out.
That's also, that makes a big difference.
It does.
If you put something frozen out.
Absolutely. And obviously we've not been having the greatest Dunedin summer weather either, but we can see here the belly's quite extended in the bloat phase, and we can see this discoloration, this darkening of the skin and a bit of marbling going on, and up here near the shoulder armpit area as well, and we can see all the amazing maggot activity that's going on up here as well.
I see some dry patches.
Yeah, it looks like it's been dried,
because the underside would probably have a different decomposition stage.
Absolutely.
So that's actually quite nice to see different decomposition stages on one body.
So Julia, can you talk us through some of the insect activity that's going on?
So unfortunately, as you can see, here's some pooled water because it had to be in a plastic tub, and in the pooled water there are some dead adult flies, so adult blowflies, and with some drowned maggots. But interestingly, masses of egg clusters, and if you go to the other side, yeah, lots of eggs. And you said they were there for quite a while, so they haven't hatched?
No, and the ones on the leg as well, they formed early on and they haven't hatched either.
That doesn't mean they are, not fertile or anything. It's maybe just too cold, so sometimes the eggs can be kind of more the dormant stage, and so once they are larvae, they have to feed and grow and develop quickly, but the egg can survive in the egg stage a bit longer. So you have many small flies. Unfortunately, without a microscope I can't really tell what it is, but it might be lesser dung flies that we have seen in the lecture, and I think I've seen a Drosophila and some wasps that I can't see at the moment. They have all escaped, and some ants, and we had some big blowflies flying around, but in the cold weather they would just hide, they would not come. But now the cool thing is if we look at some, like into the mouth, or if we turn it over, we will see the maggots. So here already some bigger maggots, maybe early L3, we will see, and also some smaller ones. So I will start now to move it a bit and see what comes up.
Wow,
so
look at that.
But there are more eggs and maybe L1 and a few bigger ones. So here is activity under the skin, or you can peel off the skin.
So it's got a bit of skin slippage going on.
And then there, there's some, it looks like a pupal case. No, that's a leaf. Some more maggots, and then, lots of maggots here.
So it's around the ear, and then we can see on the eye.
And there's some black skin around the nose.
So we've got
what is? It's a brown blowfly, Califora studia, or hilly, but it's more likely to be studia. Yes, quite squashy down here because it was moist.
Yeah. We haven't had a very sunny summer.
And then in the mouth, there's, oh yeah, there is a big larva mess.
Yeah.
And then if you look under the bottom, yeah, at the anus area,
Bit of mud. Yeah.
okay, good. So we'll start with it. So here's a little wasp,
Ah.
probably a parasitic wasp.
Mhm.
Okay, so you normally you use a paintbrush. See if I can use this. Or it's just another parasitic wasp fly taking off. Okay, so here's some eggs. I don't think it's too sticky to use the paintbrush. That would be too fine. So I try to. Well, you need to do that quite carefully, actually. Otherwise, you damage the eggs.
So in a forensic situation,
Yeah.
you would then grow these eggs and see
Yeah.
what species it is.
Exactly. And you would use like some water and put it on top of the water. Okay, I collect maggots now on the other side.
Okay. Cool. So we're going to keep on collecting the maggots, and then this is what you're going to analyse in the lab today. So thanks, Julia, for the demonstration. And
and for
we'll
everyone
keep on going.
out there, it smells. It smells.
It smells.
So you won't have the pleasure of
It smells.
experiencing the smell.
You can see that brown fly just by the by the head there now.
Califra stygia. Oh, I shouldn't say that because
She's giving away the answers. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Julia. And yeah, you guys don't get the pleasure of the smell, but hopefully this has been helpful, and then you get to crack on with it and analyse the larvae from the pig.